Oh, Sebraya Sokrafa. Iroba, holy God. Pure and holy. Terrifyingly holy. Unapproachably holy, but you are here. You are here. You are here. Unapproachable in holiness. You are here. Yahweh. 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 Ancient of days. Oh. Ancient of days. Holy God. For your sake. Oh, save Holy God. Work a miracle, Father. Work a transformative miracle. Holy fire inside us. Let the purifying fire from the outside become a holy lamp inside. Every deception, every hypocrisy, every foul spirit, everything unclean, you will leave now in the name of Jesus Christ, for the Holy One of Israel is here. Oh, yes. When he entered the area of gathering, a demoniac came to him. And he said, Holy One, why have you come to torment us before our time? So in the name of Jesus Christ, every tormenting spirit, every spirit of deception, every unclean foul spirit, every ancestral spirit, every spirit of witchcraft, every spirit of idolatry, every spirit of sexual violence, every spirit of alcoholism, in the name of Jesus Christ, I dismiss you. We are in the presence of the Holy One of God. Purifying fire, divine warrior. Purifying fire, divine warrior. Purifying fire, divine warrior. Come, church leaders, now switch to the divine warrior.